Hi. So today I wanted to talk about some of the things you need to think about when your property is being resumed, and really what to look out for. So the first thing you want to really look out for is making sure that you get fair compensation for your property. And so that really comes down to determining what is actually being taken and making sure that if you need to, that you're getting the government department to buy the whole of your property. We've had ones in the past where there's certain reasons why the property's been resumed that you won't want to have the house on there. So, classic example would be a new freeway going through the property. And if the new freeway is going through part of the property, even if it's an acreage property, you really don't want to have construction going on for a long time on the property, and then you having to have a new highway close to your house. So you want to look at all the kind of things that go into what they're going to do with the property and what that means for you. Now, there's certain rules about what you can do, and there's certain hoops you've got to jump through if your property is being resumed and you do want the government to buy the property from you. But it's really about looking out for what is it that the property is going to be used for, and do you want to stay there, and what does that mean? So, that's probably the main thing that we want to think about. The other thing is just making sure that you don't accept what the government agency offers you on the first instance. Very rarely have I ever seen, in fact, I've never seen, where they've offered as high as they're willing to go. And this is where you need to get a valuer, someone that you has got experience in this, to make sure that you're getting the right amount of money. And then making sure that you get all the extra bits. So when your property is resumed, the government's got to put you in the position that you would have been for, but for the resumption. So they've got to pay a bunch of additional costs to you, depending on the type of resumption and what's actually happening. So you need to really make sure that you're getting the right advice. So make sure that that if you are affected by a resumption, or you know someone who is, make sure that they're talking to a lawyer. I'm definitely able to help them out, and to make sure that they know what it is that their rights are and what they need to do going forward, because it's really super important, and it's not something that most people will ever deal with in their lives. So let's make sure that you're getting the right advice. All right, have a great day. Bye.